description.
Wrong house. I'm so sorry. Wrong house. Wrong house. Sorry.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got... oh boy! This is Buldak cheese. And my son found this at the new TNT Market in beautiful downtown Linwood, Washington. How beautiful it is. But, yeah, that's cool. I used to go to TNT Supermarket up in Richmond, BC. Hello, Canada. How are you? I hope you're doing well, despite it all. And, yeah. It is Monday, the 26th of 2026. It is a very odd climate today, and I'm sure for those of you who can't handle reality, you can in a moment watch the timer and scoot it forward, because yes, I'm going to talk about things that are real and such. So yeah, what's going on? This weekend there was a guy who was an ICU nurse that worked for the VA that got taken down by ICE agents, and there's tons of videos, and it's like pretty obvious that dude wasn't putting up a fuss or doing anything crazy. He tried to render aid to somebody, and then they executed him. I mean, it's pretty. And of course they're running the whole "don't trust your lying eyes" kind of thing. It's a shame. It's a real shame. But, you know, hopefully, I don't know. Did it make it? Has there been any protests? What is it like for you? It's like, what, 4 months later? Did anything happen? Did anything change? Yeah. The thing that I think is funny about this is the guy did have a gun, but he was a legal concealed carry. They took the gun off of him, then they got him. But it's kind of weird because I'm like super anti-gun. I don't like guns. I think, you know, they really only serve one purpose. I mean, they're not very effective at, like, you know, writing a book or there's nail guns. Those are specific to putting nails in. You know, a 9mm isn't going to help you build a house or do anything constructive, really. I understand the whole target shooting thing. That's kind of fun, but you know what I mean? It's just like, come on. But we have the right to have ones, and this guy totally had the right to have one. So I don't know. Now all of a sudden the whole thing is who would bring a gun with them anywhere? Blah, 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 blah. The narrative works when it's beneficial, and when the narrative becomes unbeneficial, it's good when it's good for me, and it's bad when it's not good for me. That's kind of the way it's going, and it's been that way for a long time. And I'm not gonna say that that's not the case for Democrats either. I think a lot of the time Democrats will do the same thing. What is the one thing that a politician wants above all else? To stay in office, unless they're really old and they're just like, but generally that's what I've seen. But yeah, I think it's a real shame that this guy got what he got, and now the House of Representatives is shut down because they don't want to deal with it. Well, let's just shut down the half of government for, you know, until people forget about it. We'll find something else, put that on the radar. You know. Anyways, that's what's going on politically right now. It's all a big crap show. But on a more positive note, my son has been doing more mukbangs, and he's actually eating more of it, so I don't have to eat as much. So that's pretty cool. This one he found, he picked it, and this is going to be interesting because this is the 2 days in a row we're doing mukbangs. Now, I remember this one being about as spicy as original. So, I don't know. I guess we'll see. I remember it being quite warm. I think if it's like really original warm style, then although the last time it's original was hot, but it just didn't seem anywhere near as hot as it used to be. So looking at the packaging for this and stuff, it looks like, because they mention in the directions to mix it in, but I've always seen it sprinkled on top, the cheese sachet. So that's what's going to happen. I'm going to mix this up, cheese up on top. You will see the mukbang approximately 30 minutes after this is released. And if it's more than 30, if you're watching this like further down the road, it's already out. So you can always go to www.theramenraider.com and see the full review, which will come out, I guess, about a month after these come out. That's fun. You know, stirring it and stirring it. Here you can. Come on, let's look at this happy little cup. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. Smells Buldakian. So I'm slipping a little Mickey into this thing. I'm going to, in the garnish, add chicken and see if my son tries it. He's not into a lot of things. We'll see if he wants to actually try the chicken. I think that would be interesting. I have a feeling if he does, he won't like it, but I never know. I really didn't expect him to get this down with doing noodles, so yeah. Alright, so there's that. Boom. And yeah, no. You just cooked it? You didn't try it or nothing? I've had this one guy who's just having a little baby fit about the fact that, like, this takes, how did you take 45 minutes or 45 seconds and turn it into a 12-minute video? It's like, well, things take time, dude. You see the timer go. I don't know. Guy's a bit of a, he's a putz. He's trying to start stuff. And the last comment I made to him, I was like, there is nothing that it makes me feel more joy than the fact that you're having such an emotional response to my content. That's a win for me. Thank you very much for your time. I think probably, I mean, a lot of the time I'll you know, I talk about politics on the show because that's what I'm into. And people end up saying, I came here to hear about noodles, not that. It's like, I gotta talk about something while the timer's running down. And what I've found is that these people that do that, it's thinly veiled, man. They're just not into my politics, and that's okay. You know, it's a free country. If you don't like it, don't watch it. but it kind of reminds me of when the guy sent me a comment that was a you know, big. Oh, that's weird. Look at that. Is it just me? It could just be me. So on the package, it shows the little strips of seaweed. And there are none in the powder sachet. That's irritating. That's really irritating. There's a lot of like missing things that are going on. I'm gonna throw some of this on there too. Some seeds. And yeah, I don't have any scallions. That's a bummer. But I do have some of those. Some pepper thread. Oh, we got pigeons. 2 pigeons out there right now. Wow. Let's see. Check these guys out. There's 2 pigeons. Look at that. Wow. Those things are big. What a trip. Don't see that too often. Yeah, I think this looks good. Let's see if we can. I bet you it's about time to put new batteries in Rotato too, but not I think today. Yeah, watch it rotate. Yeah, pigeons, wow. Anyways, the mukbang video will come out if you're watching this as this comes out. Mukbang will come in 30 minutes. That's 9:30 a.m. Pacific time, somewhere wherever you're at in May. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget, go check out www.theramenraider.com. It's what you want to do. And yeah, I'll see you over there. Have a good one. Bye.
To the collective. Hooray!